I hope you be well. My name is Amir Mehdi, and in this video we're gonna learn how to scrape a whole big text or PDF. So for this you have to use this website. Check out this, and you write your text here, or simply you copy and paste it here, and here in this box you write your regex. So if you want to learn regex, I'm gonna tell simple things about it, but if you wanna do it more, you should search regex in Python in YouTube or Google, and you can learn it. So first thing you have to learn, let's just say we wanna scrape this text here. So first thing you should learn is square brackets. You write something in it. Let's just say we write A, K, and L. It means that in the text I want A or K or L. So if you find it, you show this here, and you can see first match is L, position 6 till 7, which is here, or last one is match 25, which is L, match 24 is L, and match 23 is A, and you can access them all. So you can use this another way. You can simply write D, G. This means in the text you find any letter that is between D or G, which is D, E, F till G. So next one is backslash. Next one is point. So point, as you can see, this match all of the text. The point is everything that you can imagine. So as you can see, A is matched, N is matched, even X is matched. Everything that you write, even numbers, they match too. And if you write backslash point, it means I want just point. And as you can see, match 1 is from 72 to 73 and is point. Match 2 is from 135 till 138, which is point. Next one is backslash W. So backslash W matches letters from A till Z, capital A till capital Z, and it includes numbers, and numbers from 0 to 9, and underscore, as you can see here. Match any word character equivalent to what I just said. So we had 122 matches, and you can access them all here. Next one is backslash D. D stands for digits. So as you can see, just this 5 thing matches what I just write here. So, first match is 9, second one is 8, third one is 7, 6, and 5. And you can see the explanation. Match the digits equivalent to from 0 till 9. And next one is backslash S, which stands for space. So first match is from 2 till 3, which is here. And by the way, you have to choose Python in your objects, otherwise you have to learn regex in other languages like Golang and Java. So next sign is plus, which is used for counting, and the range is at least one. So when you write \d and plus, it means in my text I want every digit that the counting is at least 1. So if the counting is 3, if it's 4, it doesn't matter. So we have this text here: my name is Mehdi and I am 17. So 17 matches because it's two number. And if you write one number, it's gonna match. If you write two number, it's gonna match. It's if you write so many numbers, it's gonna match. So let's check out our next sign, which is asterisk, and it used for counting too. And when you write \w asterisk, it's gonna mean that you want at least 0 letter. So when you write this text, it's gonna match ones, which is KJ, KN till J, which is the whole text. And if you write some numbers, it's gonna match the whole thing, because it contains from 0 till 92. So let's copy this text here and paste it here, and we copy this one. It's for an example. And for next topic, I'm gonna show you how to scrape every 5 letters word. So in this thing, you have to write \w and use curly brackets. And in this curly bracket, you can specify a range, which is from which you can choose from 1 till 5. It's gonna match every word that the letters contain from 1 till 5. Or you can just write 5, which show you 5-letter words. But if some if some word is more than 5 letters, it's gonna show you the first 5 letters. So as you can see, we have some phone numbers, and we wanna see which one is correct. So we write our own regex. You have to learn this sign, which is sign for starting. So we want our regex start with phone number, space. I haven't told you this one. \s is for space, and it doesn't matter how many space you write, tab or next line, it doesn't matter. So next thing is colon and space again, and here we have to write a regex for our number. We write \d, and here we use range, and we want our number be 7 numbers allowed. And as you can see, this number contains 2, and how you can remove it by this sign. When you use this sign, it means that you want your regex ending. So this didn't contain 2 because it was 9 digits. This didn't contain because it has letter G at the end of the number, which is a number. And this one didn't contain because it has letter A and it's not a number. This one and this one were correct. So when you don't need this first of the regex and this first of the text, and you want to delete it, you have to use group, and you have to use parentheses, and you specify this. This is your group, and your match is the whole thing, but your group is what's in the parentheses. So as you can see, first match is phone number and this thing, but your group is this. Second match is this one, and his group is this. So now we have some knowledge about regex, and we can write simple regex. So let's scrap this PDF, and you can use Ctrl plus A, and it's gonna select the whole text, and you can then use Ctrl C and copy this text. So we paste this text here, and for the regex, we want our words start with S and end in L, and we want our minimum length of the text of the word be 10. So we want start with S, have some other letters, and so as you can see, we have this S letter here, and we have to write an L at the end of the regex. So that's 2 letters, and 8 letters are left. So we write 8 here, and we want more than 8 too, so we write \W and asterisk, and we want our regex end with L. So you can access your words in here, and you can have it as a JSON, as a CSV, and you can have it as a simple text, and you copy this text, and you can bring it to the Word file and turn it to the PDF. So that was it. If you have any misunderstanding, ask me in the comment section and I will answer you, and don't forget to support our channel. So that was it, and we're done. Till next one, peace.